Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to be doing an old favorite in a new way. We're talking peanut butter pie. And I'm going to show you how I do that coming up right now. Okay, first thing you're going to need for your peanut butter pie. In the bowl here I got 1 8-ounce bar of cream cheese. To that we're going to add 1 cup of peanut butter. And to make it come out a little bit easier, I did lightly spray my cup that I put my peanut butter in here, and then wiped it out just so it would sort of, come out a little bit easier. Scrape that off of there. There we go. Set that out of the way. We got 1 cup of sugar. That's just a regular white granulated sugar. Mix it in. What we're going to do, we're just going to hit this sort of easy to begin with our mixer here. Now our cream cheese was softened. It had been setting out. You're starting off sort of easy because I don't want to sling sugar everywhere. Once you get that combined, what we want to do, we want to add in 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Now I got a 16-ounce tub here. I'm only going to add half of it in right now. Add about 8 ounces in there. And we're just going to mix this up. Want to be sure I ain't got any of that pure peanut butter hiding out in there anywhere. We want it creamy all the way through. So I'm scrape down the sides of my bowl there now. Be sure that I got it all off the sides of my bowl. Be sure I got it all off of the bottom. Because as you know, sometimes that stuff, you don't want to hide out on you on the bottom there. And so we want to get it all up out of there. Yeah, let me take that off of that. And now to that, we're going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to stir that in, mix that in good. I better stop before I sling it everywhere. Get this little one where I can get this out of the very bottom here. Yeah, I'll wind up having it everywhere, won't I? I'll have a mess, can't clean up. All right, we're going to set that over to the side. We're going to set this over to the side. What we're going to do, we got us a little graham cracker pie crust here. Now, you can make your own pie crust if you want to. Graham crackers, Oreos, whatever you want to use for a pie crust. But we're going the easy route today. We just got us a regular graham cracker pie crust today. Graham crumb, cracker crumbs, whatever you want to call it. Now I got some chocolate syrup here. I'm going to put me some of this chocolate syrup in the bottom of my pie crust here. Get me a decent coat there in the bottom. We're just going to sort of spread that around. We don't want it up the sides, but you know, we're just spreading it out to the edge there. And what we're going to do now, we're going to take and we're going to put our pie filling here right back into our pie crust. Man, does that ever look good? Does that ever smell good? Hey, I wish I could eat that right now. Ooh, I'm going to wind up getting this all over me. I can see it already. We're just going to empty that out and we're going to spread it out here. We just want to spread it down and get it down in our pie crust good. That's what we want to do. Let me know in the comments if y'all eat peanut butter pie, or if you've ever eaten peanut butter pie. We used to eat it as a kid growing up. Mama would make peanut butter pie. But don't see so much of it anymore. You know, people, I guess, don't make it like they used to anymore. Get that smoothed out there. Put that up there, and we're going to set that over to the side. Get me a napkin here and wipe that off my hands. What we're going to do, we're going to take this other Cool Whip here, this other 8 ounces of Cool Whip. We're going to just empty it out on top there. We're going to just sort of spread it around all the way out to the edges. Man, I can't wait to get into this thing. Talk about bringing back some childhood memories. We don't want a real big coat of this on here, on the top. But we do want enough that we can taste it, you know, just to give it that little bit of flavor in there, you know, that you get from a Cool Whip. I can get that Cool Whip straight out of the little tub there, just by itself. Just eat it by the spoonfuls. And then what we're going to do here, we're going to take our chocolate frosting, our chocolate syrup, and we're just going to put some across the top here. Put us a good coat right across the top. Holy cow, look at that. Man, does that look good or what? Hey, what we're going to do, we're going to put this in the refrigerator. We're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes, an hour, probably about an hour, and firm up real good. And then we'll be back. We're going to cut some of it and see what we got on the inside. Okay, we got our pie out of the refrigerator there. It's been sitting, actually been sitting a little bit longer. We went ahead and ate supper before we got it out. But you can see the different layers in it there. How the peanut butter and then the Cool Whip on top, chocolate on the bottom, and then the top in there. Man, I can't wait to get into this joker. We're gonna take us a bite of it, and we're gonna see what it tastes like here. Man, what you talking about? Man, that'll just melt in your mouth. I mean, literally just melt in your mouth, what I'm talking about. Mm. Hey, if you would, give the video a thumbs up there. Like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you do. We appreciate all of you take the time out of your day to watch our videos. Peanut butter pie. We'll see you on the next one.